friends, myself Kuldeep Panchal. Welcome to my mini workshop. Today I will teach you how to make a mini refrigeration system and how refrigeration work. So I have some material for make that project. Let me show. This is a refrigerator compressor. It's a refrigerant R134A. It's butane gas for brazing, welding torch, relay, capacitor for relay, dryer for filter, charging pipe with pin valve, racing rod, anti-moisture, 3 wire connector, tube bender for make a evaporator and condenser. This is capillary tube, and the main thing is a copper pipe. We will make a condenser and also make a evaporator for this copper pipe. And the last, it's a charging line for charge refrigerant. So we can use this material for make our project. Are you ready with me? So let's make. This is our evaporator. Hello. This is our refrigeration system. This is compressor. This is evaporator. This is condenser. This is dryer. This is our refrigeration cycle diagram. So first of all, we should have a evaporator. So we will make evaporator for use this. We are making a evaporator for using this cooling coil. This is a tube bender. We are bending this tube. Just don't forget pinch of pipe. This is very hard to round this pipe. Finally, we have rounded this pipe.
नहीं यार मेरा पेट थोड़ा सा कड़वा कड़वा है मान ले एकदम ये सही है। काट दिया।
ये बंद हो गया फोन।
देखना पड़ेगा। नहीं हो
क्या करता लोग लगा
क्यों?
मुझे भी उतना ही पता नहीं। Okay, finally we have completed our condensing coil and evaporative coil. So this is our refrigeration cycle diagram. We have completed evaporator. This is evaporator. This is evaporative cooling coil. First we have completed this coil. Then second, this is condensing coil. So we have completed condensing coil. This is our condensing coil. So now we will attach these coil into the compressor. Then after we will attach a dryer. So now we have condensing coil and we have evaporative coil. So now we will attach this coil into compressor. Then after we will attach a dryer between this coil. Okay. So let's
लगा
condenser coil into this compressor. Our first task has been completed. So our second task is the evaporative coil. Make evaporative coil and attach into the compressor. So we will attach evaporative cooling coil into this suction line. This is a discharge line and it's a suction line and it is discharge line. So we will attach cooling coil evaporator into this suction line. Okay. This is our evaporative coil. This is our cooling coil. We will attach this cooling coil into this suction line. Okay, so our half work has been completed. We will attach this coil into this suction line. Thereafter we will attach capillary tube and dryer. Now we are attaching this cooling coil into this suction line. First it will bend this side. Okay, now attach into this suction line. Okay, now raise it. is charging pipe with pin ball. We will insert this pipe into this charging pipe of compressor. And after we will press this pipe. Okay. We have inserted charging pipe into this compressor charging pipe. Our third task has been completed. We have condenser, we have evaporator, we have charging line. Then our next task is where is capillary tube? Join this capillary into this evaporator. Now we have completed half the refrigeration system. This is condenser attached into discharge line. This is evaporator cooling coil attached into suction line, and this is charging line, and this is our refrigeration system. This is evaporator, it has been done. This is condenser, it has been done. And now we have other tasks. We have last task is join dryer and capillary tube. So we have this dryer. This is our dryer. We will attach this dryer into this condensing coil. Okay, then after we will attach this capillary into this dryer. Then the second portion of capillary insert into this cooling coil. And our refrigeration system has been completed. Now finally our refrigeration system has been completed. Now we will pressing into this fridge. Okay. This is our refrigeration system. First we brace this. We'll brace this dryer. First, now we have raised this dryer, and after raise this capillary. And after raise this capillary. Okay. Finally, our brazing process has been completed. Now we have a capacitor and this is a relay. We will attach this capacitor into this relay. Then after we will attach this wire pin into this relay. Our relay has been ready for start this compressor. We will insert this relay into this compressor. Then we will start our compressor. Now our compressor is running mode. It's running. Okay. So our system is working now. Finally, our brazing process has been completed. So our refrigeration system has been done. We have condenser coil. This is evaporative cooling coil. This is capillary. This is capillary tube. This is dryer and compressor. So our refrigeration system has been completed. This is compressor, condenser, evaporator, capillary and dryer. This system diagram, this system has been completed. Now this is R134 refrigerant. We will charge this refrigerant into this system. We will use this charging line and charging gauge for charge this refrigerant into the system. So our next thing to charge this refrigerant into this system. This is our charging line and gauge. So we will attach this charging line into this refrigerant compressor. Then we will attach this charging line into this charging pipe. Open this pin valve and it has contained a charging pin. Insert this charging pipe into this charging line. Okay. Now our refrigerant system has been ready. We will charge refrigerant into this system. So how to charge refrigerant into this refrigeration system? First of all, open this R134 refrigerant cylinder valve. Then this is a gauge. It's showing refrigerant reading. And open this valve for 2 to 5 seconds. Then close it. Your system is running. Check it. It's it inside its cooling side. Then again open this valve and close this valve. Again wait for 5 seconds. Then again open this valve and close this valve. Do it when a time when reading is not show plus 10. Stop. Open this valve again. Close it. Check your system. Stop. Open this refrigerant valve. And then open this regulator valve. And wait for 5 to 6 seconds. And again open this valve. Wow, it's amazing. You can show that it's like ice. पास में zoom लेगा, पास में लेगा. Open this cylinder valve, then open this gauge valve. Only 2 to 5 seconds. Open this, then after close this valve. Then check your system. Wow, that's working. It's like ice. It's very cold. Wow. Our refrigeration system is working. And this is condensing coil. Wow, that's very good news. Our refrigeration system is working now. This is condensing coil. It's very hot. And this is cooling coil. Wow, it's very cold. It's looking like a ice. Our experiment has been worked. Now our system is working. This is our mini refrigeration system. You can make this at your home. This is a short experiment. Now this reading shows plus 10 and 20, between 10 and 20. Okay. Now after charge refrigerant, we will remove this charging line and close this charging valve. Now this refrigerant has been filled into this system. open this valve and close it from this valve. Then restart your system and look at magic.